Welcome to Maths and Science by IITian channel. In this lecture, I will be proceeding further on algebra topic on functions. I have already released 2-3 lectures on functions, and also I have given a brief in the last lecture about the trigonometric functions, how to go for it, and these are algebraic functions. I have already solved some examples on algebraic functions, and I have given some good concepts on the algebraic functions. Now, in this lecture, I will be discussing about the synthetic division, what it means and how easily we can divide a polynomial by another polynomial and get the answer. This is called as the synthetic division. This is a very useful method, simple method to divide one polynomial function by another polynomial function. That means function x divided by phi x. Let us say the given function is fx is equal to 3x to the power of 6 minus 14x to the power of 5 minus 58x to the power of 4 plus 74x cube minus 90x square plus 108x minus 119. Let us say that is function x fx, and x minus 7, let us divide it by x minus 7, let it be called as phi x. There are two functions, one function divided by another function. Then what will be the answer? How to find out? There is a simple method called synthetic division. I will explain that method. Please understand the concepts. Concepts are more required and to be understood rather than the answers. Please understand the concept, how to do it, so that any problem given in the examination you will be able to solve it with ease when concepts are clear to you. Let's go for the solution. What is the question given? Divide function x, that is equal to, what is the function x? Three into x to the power of 6 minus 14 into x to the power of 5 minus 58 into x to the power of 4 plus 74 into x cube minus 90 into x square plus 108 into x minus 119 by another function phi x, that is x minus 7. We have to find function x fx by phi x. There is a synthetic division method which we will be solving through it, and let us try to solve it. What are the factors of x to the power of 6, x to the power of 5 in the descending order of the power of x? What are the coefficients. The coefficients are for x to the power of 6, x to the power of 5, x to the power of 4, x cube, x square, x and x to the power of 0. What are the coefficients? Coefficients are 3. I am going slow just only for making you to understand the concept. This is minus 14, minus 58. You need not write all these things in the examination. You can directly do it. Plus 74, minus 90, plus 108, and for x to the power of 0 it is minus 119. Let me write all these values. Clearly here 3 minus 14 minus 58 plus 74, only coefficients of the powers of x in the descending order. Minus 90 plus 108 minus 119. By what it is to be divided? It is to be divided by x minus 7. To be divided by x minus 7. That implies x is equal to 7, x minus 7 is equal to 0, x is equal to 7. Then put 7 on the left hand side of the table, whatever you have made with the coefficients of x powers in the descending order. Then the highest power, what is 3 into x to the power of 6? The highest power 3, you bring it down here. Please try to understand. You bring it down directly without disturbing it. Then multiply 7 with this whatever brought down, 7 into 3, you write here. 7 into 3 is plus 21. Then you add these two, plus 21 minus 14, that will be 7. Now you multiply the 7 with 7 and write it here. Please try to follow this procedure perfectly. 7 into 7 is 49. Minus 58 plus 49 will be minus 9. Now you multiply 7 with minus 9. Then it will give minus 63 plus 74 minus 63 is 11 plus 11. Again 7 into 11 is equal to 77. Minus 90 plus 77 is equal to minus 13. 7 into minus 13 is equal to minus 91. 108 minus 91 is equal to 17. And 7 into 17 is plus 119. Answer is 0. This will be the answer. As 0 is the remainder, this is the remainder. Hence x minus 7 totally divides the given equation, and this will be the coefficient of x to the power of 5, because we have divided by x minus 7, one power will be lesser in the answer. This will be coefficient of x to the power of 4, this will be coefficient of x cube, this will be coefficient of x square, this will be coefficient of x, this will be constant. The answer will be 3x to the power of 5 plus 7x to the power of 4 minus 9x cube plus 11x square minus 13x plus 17. This is nothing but factorization of a big polynomial. Hence, the answer is when 3 into x to the power of 6 minus 14 into x to the power of 5 minus 58 into x to the power of 4 plus 74 into x cube minus 90 into x square plus 108 into x minus 119 when it is divided by x minus 7, the answer is 3 into x to the power of 5 plus 7 into x to the power of 4 minus 9 into x cube plus 11 into x square minus 13x plus 17. This is the answer. This is the synthetic division, and please try to see the video again if you want to fully understand the synthetic division. It is a very faster method and an easier method, and you can easily find out when two functions are divided by each other, then fx by fx we can easily find the value in the examination. Best of luck to you. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you for viewing my lecture. And if there is a value addition to you because of this lecture, kindly share and subscribe to my channel. Maths and Science by IITian. This is the beginning of algebra. I have started the classes of lectures on trigonometry along with the lectures on algebra, functions, so that these will be useful for you for IIT JEE, mains and advanced, the concepts along with Maths Olympiad examination. Well, as we move forward, tougher and tougher and good collection of problems I will be giving you. These problems are self-made by me, and best of luck. Thank you for listening to me.